Danke bafethu, breaking news, iy'ndaba eziphumayo bafethu. UMfundo Vilakazi ufunwa ama-team wase-Europe, not one team, not two, but more teams bayamlandela umfana, bayamfuna. Kuthiwa-ke baqala umfuna manje-ke baqale kumlandela after ilokhunjani i-AFCON, after bawina laphana i-under 20 i-AFCON lapha e-North Africa. Kusho ukuthi babona i-potential ukuthi umfana angadevelopha his game to the highest level, but-ke asazi ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ithini, ukuthi i-ready na i-Kaizer Chiefs kumdedela. Angazi nina bafowethu, if uyayi-Kaizer Chiefs fan, ukuthi ufila kanjani ngale nto leyo. Ucabanga ukuthi isikhathi esi-right ukuthi uMfundo Vilakazi ayishiye i-Kaizer Chiefs aye e-Europe na? The European move obviously bafowethu ingayitshentsha impilo yakhe immediately. Inga-change-a everything, and umfana usasenaso isikhathi. I mean, ubuya ku-World Cup, usibonele ukuthi u-World Cup wenze ey'bukwayo, even nama-commentator bewamthanda, abantu bebamthanda. Ushaye 2 assist, wakora negoli ku-last game against last game abayidlalile against iColombo. Unfortunately la bashawe khona, but-ke i-talented squad. He was one of the leaders laphana ku-under 20. I don't know, nami angazi-ke ukuthi i-good time ukuthi umfundi ahambe, but I think ama-teams angaba interested kumfundo, I think would be from eBelgium isikhathi esiningi, because of iBelgium iyathanda ukuthatha ama-players amancane wase-South Africa. Sikhumbule ukuthi abafana abancane futhi bakhona immediately after i-AFCON. Ubani uSmith wahamba waya ku-QPR laphana eNgilandi. So ama-player amaningi la e-South Africa lawa adlale ku-AFCON before even i-World Cup, umhlaba besewubabhekile already ukuthi these are the African champions kuma-under 20, so why not? They're trying to go for them. Sikhumbule ukuthi abanye badlala ku-Sundowns, abanye badlala badlala ku-Sundowns. Yes, naku-Chiefs khona ama-player ambalwa. Ubani ngizolikhumbula le right back le yaku-Chiefs? Yes, uSifiso ngizosikhumbula lesibongo sakhe, but yeah, abantu abaningi ba-attract interest overseas. Sikhumbule ukuthi nabo-goalkeeper balaphana ku-under 20 udlala laphana ePortugal. Isikhathi esi-right ukuthi umfundo bafethu ahambe. Izolo performe kahle kakhulu futhi. I mean, uyi-creator, uyi-different maker, uyakwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeke laphana egemini. Uletha leso spark leso i-Kaizer Chiefs esidingayo. Siyazi ukuthi bekuyi-player laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs abangadlalisi njalo, but-ke manje sebabonile ukuthi anga-contribute ngempela umfana, seke waqala nama-matches. Ama-European scout obviously they won't back down, they'll try and acquire ngaye umfana bezwe nge-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs yona ithini. Would be interesting to see ngempela ukuthi bazothini. Bazothini bona, bazoresponda kanjani, because ngoJanuary if they are pushing for a move manje kusho ukuthi umfana bamfuna ngoJanuary lapha ne-Europe ukuthi ayishiye i-Kaizer Chiefs. Is it too soon ukuthi umfana bamlokhunjana bamthatha ahambe, or isikhathi esi-perfect kakhulu ukuthi ahambe na? Isikhathi sisase-sidini lakhe. I-stage esikhulu u-global stage ka-under 20 World Cup, njengoba bengishilo ama-scouts bafowethu from all over the world, hundreds and hundreds of scouts bebabukele leya tournament, and then umfundo-ke ushayinile khona. Influence yakhe, confidence yakhe, creativity-ke with purpose, uku-attack-a kwakhe, and-ke lapho under 20 bamdlalisa i-number 10, so i-player elibaluleke kakhulu for ama-under 20, and usubalulekile-ke manje for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Not like he's starting from the bench. For the past 2 games, or is it continental level? For the past 3 games, yes, uqala ama-games for i-Chiefs, uba i-different make. Siyazi ukuthi akusikudala bampromotile laphana, akanayo ne-3 seasons umfundo Vilakazi aku-PSL or ku-professional setup, but already is making waves around the world. Abantu sebayamazi, abantu bayalazi igama lakhe. Even obviously-ke ukuya ku-senior team yakhe, promothwa kwakhe ku-senior team, abantu abaningi beba-expectile vele ukuthi uzoba i-shining star because of kudala abantu bamlandelela from the dusty street. Uyaqhubeka even naku-senior team, udefine ama-odds ukuthi i-physique mncane, but-ke i-creative spark, into ezanayo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ibaluleke kakhulu. I mean, futhi u-left wakhe muhle kakhulu, silibonile igoli lakhe elihle alishayile. I mean, obviously leyo nto lezo, izinto nje ey'ncane azenzayo bafowethu zizokhuphula i-interest more from ama-European teams ukuthi hhayi, lo mfana lo serious ngempela. Obviously-ke, but to be fair, i-Kaizer Chiefs, they cannot just let him go manje. Because i-team izama uku-rebuilda i-solid team, i-team estrong ezokwazi ukufight. And then ama-fans akhala nge-identity ye-Kaizer Chiefs, i-flair ne-pride ye-Kaizer Chiefs. So urepresent-a leyo nto leyo for amakhosi because ukhumbuza ama-fans the iconic Kaizer Chiefs stars. So i-identity ye-Kaizer Chiefs represent-a yona akukho lula, ngeke kube lula ukuthi vele bamhambise because he's one of the most loved players ku-Kaizer Chiefs manje and is becoming very very important. But masibheka laphana ibhola lase-Europe bafethu, for yena uzokhula kakhulu, uzodevelopa kahle, financial uzoba sharp makangaya e-Europe. I-contract nje izovele i-change impilo yakhe immediately. So i-chance le yakhe ukuthi abe global superstar ukuthi bamazi from different parts of the world ngempela ukuthi bakwazi ukumbukela week in and week out. For example, asithi usayina ne-team yase-Belgium or yase-Portugal or yase-Engilandi boma-second division, uthole i-exposure yokudlala nama-teams, one of the best teams in the world. If udlala e-England, even if udlala second division, but uyodlala ama-FA Cup, ubonwa bonke abantu bafethu. Lese ngelilanga udlala ne-Liverpool, udlala ne-Man U. And then if usayina e-Belgium, same thing, because amanye ama-teams go-Belgium badlala boma-Champions League, boma-Europa, no Champions League, yes, i-Europa ne-Conference. So still nalapho i-global spotlight isikhona ukuthi akwazi ukushayina, akwazi uku-improve, abuild vele i-reputation yakho ukuthi ibe strong kakhulu nanokuthi umhlaba wonke umazi. So kuye-Europe bafethu izo-change everything in terms of imali. For example, masibheka uNkotha, uNkotha una-20 naye, 2020 uzothena 21 or sethenile 21 lapho. Already une-contract, siyazi ukuthi yena uye e-Saudi Arabia, but already une-contract ye-400,000 ngeviki, imagine. So umfana naye imali, I think financial side kuyale phesheya kuzo-change izinto zakhe. Ama-signing on fee wakhe, noma kuthiwa akekho ku-big contract, but i-signing on fee izomenza instant millionaire kuma-South African rands because of ikhona i-signing on fee maba-negotiate, zonke izinto zakhe zizoba sharp. Yeah, but umbuzo omkhulu ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izomgcina, i-decision ye-Kaizer Chiefs or yena uMfundo ufunani ngempela, uzodecide-ani because of if ufuna ukuhamba kumele ehlale ne-team asho ukuthi okay, don't let me go manje ngoJanuary, let me go makuphela isizini khona ngifuna uku-improve noku-change impilo yami. Or i-Kaizer Chiefs izothi no, sibuilda i-team around yena nomfana, asifuni ukuthi uhambe, or bazomyekela ukuthi ahambe aye-Europe agijimise iphupho lakhe. If unephupho lokuya e-Europe, because of mawudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, I mean, we top of the food chain ku-South African football, so there's nowhere you can go. If usuka ku-Kaizer Chiefs kusho ukuthi uyehla phela in terms of like i-standards e-South African football. So akusiyi-choice e-easy lena bafowethu, inzima lento le, inzima kakhulu, hayi kancane. For i-Kaizer Chiefs inzima, for ama-fans inzima, for uMfundo Vilakazi inzima kakhulu, because I mean ku-Kaizer Chiefs they idolize him, they love him, everyone loves him ebholeni lase-South Africa. Only for him ukuthi ahamba e-Europe kusamele ubuild i-career yakhe from scratch again, awufunda izinto eziningi, i-physique yakhona i-different, maybe i-pace yakhona i-different, and asazi ukuthi bamfunela yiphi i-position, is it i-wing or bamfunela i-creative number 10 because of ku-under 20 la bamnothise khona kakhulu udlala unumber 10, washaya ama-assist, is a good passer of the ball. Maybe usikhumbuza abantu abafana nabo Philo, well maybe seku-too much mangithi Philo, but-ke mangicabanga inumber as i-midfielder, uPhilo umsebenzi wakhe bowukuphasa kuphela, hayi ukumaka. Yeah, so but-ke izinto okumele a-improve kuzo-ke bafethu, despite ukuthi i-South Africa bayamthanda kakhulu, but i-development yakhe isaqhubeka. Ukuthi a-survive laphana e-Europe bafethu kumele abe strong. So that is why kumele jinywe ngempela bafethu, abuild ama-muscles, noma kuthiwa kumzimba wakhe awuchange that much, but kubonakala ukuthi u-strong. Yabona i-physical strength ukuthi akwazi ukulwa nama-powerful defenders yabo laphana e-Europe. E-Europe futhi-ke ngeke akwazi ukuligibela ibhola noma kuthiwa-ke i-team iwina 4-0, there's no way, i-disrespect enkulu e-Europe, but u-South African football leyo nto leyo i-right. So maybe u-decision making kwesinye isikhathi kumele, but makadlala ku-under 20 i-decision making yakhe i-good, akaligibeli, akenzi lutho, vele nje uphase, makalibamba ubheka ama-player wakho uyaphasa. Enye into anga-improve kuyo bafethu i-work rate yakhe, so whether udlala i-wing or udlalaphi, but-ke maningaliphathanga ibhola as i-team, kumele a-track-e back naye akwazi ukumaka, asize i-team makuyiwa phambili naye ukhona. So hhayi ukuthi uyama nje ngoba wena udlala phambili, no, selishintshile ibhola ngempela, wonke umuntu uyamaka. If-ke umaster izinto ezi-few and then i-physique yakhe uba strong, and then-ke sikhuluma, because asikhulumi nge-good play, sikhuluma nge-good player la, but-ke ku-European football i-demand i-different. I-future superstar kusho ukuthi yasemhlabeni uMfundo Vilakazi, if uzokwazi ukwenza lezi zinto lezi ey'ncane, uku-improve kuzo, if uzo-decide ukuya e-Europe. Already laphana ku-under 20 bafethu badlala nabantu abadlala e-Europe abambalwa, so ba-expected nabo ukuthi at least baye e-Europe because of babhekiwe already. I-future yakhe umfana asazi bafethu, if i-Kaizer Chiefs iyafuna ukumgcina izomgcina, ama-fans ayamsupport, o-coaches bayamguide, and then-ke uyabonakala ukuthi uhambule and hungry. Then South Africa-ke i-witness i-talent for the longest time engazange libone in terms of identity ye-South African football. Masibheka sikhumbule uSkaranga Obese, that thing, that flair, thina siyathanda ukumbona uVilakazi. So ayisolinda bafowethu sibukele, sibheke ukuthi umfana isitori sakhe sizophelela kuphi, but yeah, what a story ukuthi ufunwa kuma-teams wase-Europe, cause udlala kahle kakhulu. I think it's well deserved ukuthi athole i-recognition from ama-European teams ukuthi azabonise ne-interest. Obrigado. So I think, yeah, abantu bayam-celebrate e-South Africa, umfana waseSoweto la isitori sakhe saqala khona. For yena, obviously it's not just a game, identity yasekasi ukuthi okay, you play the ball, but obviously-ke ushukela kumele ube khona at the same time, kumele ube mnandi. Ngoba I think ezinye izinto u-coach uyakufundisa, but ezinye ziba natural, khona izinto ezi-natural kuMfundo Vilakazi ezimenza ukuthi a-stand out. Ngicela ukuyibamba la bafethu. Ngicabanga ukuthi uMfundo kumele bamdedele ahambe noma ahlale ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Mehlala uhlala based on ini, what are they trying to build around him? Bazomnika i-contract mhlawumbe ezoshintsha impilo yakhe, asazi. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.